goes back to ABS. So it drops right there, and you can see the slip in the fitting.
Yep.
So that's why you got water sitting there.
Yep.
So let's locate that.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's where, so that's where it connects, transitions to ABS. So what they did is they maybe used a Fernco or something, and it's not level.
Yep. I gotcha.
So it needs to be replaced. So you can see there's another another turn right there.
Yeah.
But see, that's all looks like it was replaced in ABS. So, and even right there, well, see, that's what I thought transition, but that looks like I'll have my dad look at it, but I think that's ABS still. I know that is for sure. Like I said, it's just getting out to that planter, and then it's backing up. And the city needs to look at their connection, and that fitting over there, it just needs to be dug up and looked at. Because obviously there's some, it's not flat, and we're 50 feet.
I'll move out of the way. I've seen it.
So your camera's stuck now?
No. So that's 28 feet.
Did you say it was 50?
No. Hold on a second. 28, and see it. So that's at a 45, and then that's where 28, 32. So it goes straight out, dives down, and then hits the city. But you can see the old pipe there.
Yeah, and it's
right there. Yeah, because it can't get out. So I don't know what's going on there. And that's at 34. So that needs to be dug up and inspected, because that whole section where it goes down and then it's underwater here.
So the city might be responsible for some of it.